Welcome. This channel is about building vehicles and traveling the country with family and friends in search of adventure and great memories. By the way, if this is your first time here, my name is Dan and I'm here to bring you along on my projects and adventures. I started my career as an auto mechanic and then became a mechanical engineer. Now I like to put those skills to use building project cars, 4x4s, and vans to travel the country in search of amazing locations to explore, whether it be on foot or by vehicle. If fabricating, wrenching, and traveling with friends and family sounds interesting to you, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. I will produce long content videos a few times a month, and I like to keep people up to date with shorts in between. My goal is to provide content that inspires you to start your next project or adventure and hopefully make memories with your friends and families to last a lifetime. I hope you'll stick around and check out some examples of projects and travel that we have done recently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you check back in soon for our next adventure and project.